how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Thank you so much, everyone who are listening to my podcast, who are appreciating me. Thank you so much. So again, I'm here with another process which is known as the focus wheel process from the book Ask and It is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks, and this is process number 17. So here in this process, it is basically designed to assist us in changing our vibrational pattern on the specific subject that is not beneficial to us. That is, it is a process whereby we can literally practice our thoughts into a better feeling and therefore into a better point of attraction. Yes, I have also I have always mentioned in my episode that feeling is the basis of everything. If you feel better, you can attract better, and if you feel good, you will attract good things into your life. So over here, this focus wheel process is also a process in which we have to improve into our life some kind of bad situation or some kind of bad thing which has just now happened into our life. So here we have to again spare 15-20 minutes in this process whenever we are feeling negative emotion about something that has just happened in our life. Okay, so here we have to improve our feeling of clarity. That is what we actually want, because as soon as something has happened which we which we do not want, it becomes more clear to us what we really want in our life. So here we can use this process by drawing some focus wheel kind of pattern. So over here, first of all, we have to draw a big circle on a plain paper, A4 size paper, and then a small circle inside that bigger circle, so it looks actually like a wheel. Okay, so in that smaller wheel, what we have to write, we have to identify whatever thing which we do not want, as well as what we really want in the way to feel better in this situation. So for example, if I want to feel better or feel healthy in the form of my body and figure, something like that, so I can write in the small wheel, I feel fat and I want to feel slender. That means I want to feel slim. Or I can write, I feel poor and I want to feel prosperous. That is, we are writing both the things. First, that is which I do not want, but I had just experienced it in my life, that I am feeling poor because I cannot buy something. But on the other hand, that experience has made me very clear that I really want to become prosperous. So in this in the inner circle wheel, that small circle, we have to write both the thing which we have experienced, which is giving us a bad feeling, negative emotion, and immediate positive thing which we want on the same subject. So we can also write, I fell ill and I want to feel well, I want to feel healthy. Okay, so that is what we have to write in the inner circle. But what about now the outer circle, the outer bigger circle which we have drawn, which we have to mark the like digits as we have in our clock or watch. That is, on the uppermost we have to write 12, on the lower most we can write 6, and then like 12 after 12 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So over here on the focus wheel, we can start writing 12 statements which are going to make us feel better on this particular subject. That is, by writing each and every statement, our feeling from the negative or the bad feeling for that particular situation should start change. So for example, we can write that I want to feel very healthy. So we can start writing from the very first thing, that yes, first whenever we are writing something, it should not feel that it could not happen right now, because then our belief will counteract with it. So we have to make some generalized statement. We will start believing in it. So for example, when I have written in the center that I feel fat and I want to feel slender, then I can start writing by uh, I will find a diet that works. Okay, that means right now this statement is not feeling good, so I will not write it, but I will find some another general statement that I don't feel good in my clothes. Okay, this is also a statement which is not making me feel good, because it is making me feel worse that I don't have the perfect figure in which I am, I can look good or fine. So I will start with another generalized statement that it will be fun to buy some new clothes. Okay, that means, okay, whatever figure I am having, it will be fun to buy new clothes. That is a better feeling situation. Okay, better feeling situation. So I will write that at the 12th position of the clock. Then my body will feel more refreshed. Okay, if I'll start becoming slender, then my body will feel more refreshed. That is a good feeling thought. So I am feeling good, so I will write that at the 1 o'clock position. Then I will feel more vital. That is, I will feel more energetic. That is a good feeling thought. So again I can write that statement on the 2 o'clock position. So similarly, by just focusing on a particular subject for at least 20-15 minutes and writing 12 statements that are generalized and that are really matching to the vibration that we do want for us for that particular subject, is going to improve our attraction, and in few days and few few times, your manifestation or that goal which you have written in that smaller circle will come to you. So this focus wheel is really very important and very effective process. If you carry out, I think you can make wonders out of it. So if still you have any doubt, any if you have not understood anything, please do let me know. I will be really very grateful to explain it in a better way. So anyway, this is about focus wheel. Thank you so much.